Hey everyone, Mike DiDonato here from Fireman Canada, and today we'll be descaling the Jura ENA 4. What you need for this process is 3 Jura descaling tablets. Those come conveniently in a 3-pack or 36-pack, 500 milliliters of water precisely, and 1 container to catch your spent water. You'll know you're ready to descale when you have a symbol on the bottom left corner of your screen with 2 lines and some dots rolling through them. To start the process, click and hold the gear button. Initially, your machine will ask you to remove the tray and empty it. After doing that, it'll give you a water symbol. That means add the agent to the tank. At this stage, you should take your 3 descaling tablets, add them to your 500 ml of water, and allow them to break down. Now, before adding them to your water tank, ensure if you are using a filter that it is removed, because if you run the descaler through the filter, it will render it as useless. Now fill up your water tank with your 500 ml of fully dissolved descaling solution, put it back on the machine, and allow it to run into the receptacle. Once the machine is done running, it will ask for water again. At this stage, remove the water tank, give it a very thorough rinse, fill it to the top with clean water, and put it back on the machine. Once back on the machine, it will run clean water through the system. Once it's completed running its clean water, you're done your cycle. Thanks for watching how to decalcify your Jura ENA 4. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @Fiamma_Canada and check out our website www.fiamma.ca for all your cleaning and maintenance product needs.